authorities.
4 University of Johannesburg students have won a local leg of an international competition with their system that aims to tackle tender corruption and fraud. It allows bidding companies to view the progress of their tender bids online. They can also see how they were graded and what the winning bid did right.
We have 4 users of the system, so the ordinary visitor that can view project, the subject matter expert, the government agency that wants to add the project, and the contractor that wants to place bid on this project. So as a government agent, you can just add projects. So we use a targeted advertisement. So immediately these projects are added. Since we maintain a central database of suppliers, the suppliers are alerted immediately that a project has been added that you might be interested in. Then after that, these contractors now place bids on this project, and once the project is closed, then is automatically the subject matter expert who is chosen at random among also a subject matter expert database is alerted that, okay, you need to evaluate this project. So this subject matter expert views this project, views the bids on it, now does his research and now decides on, okay, what's the minimum amount this project should cost. So he sets the minimum amount, then the government person that posted the project is alerted that, okay, this project has been evaluated by the subject matter expert. So he now needs to use the information from the subject matter expert, also use a graphical representation of, so we display a graphical representation of what the subject matter expert selected as the price. So we could have like 2 subject matter experts setting a reference amount for this project. Then you also see a distribution of all the bids that you can now make an informed decision using all those figures on what you think should be the price of this project. Then using that price, you now click the evaluate button. Then that's where the core algorithm comes in. So our evaluation process is divided into 3 categories. So the financial amount, the technical amount, the technical rating, and the security rating. So the security rating works in a way that we believe that a company that has directors that are not financially reliable shouldn't be, you shouldn't trust them with a high amount of project. So we take every company that makes a bid for this project, get all their directors, so match it against because we created like a mock CIPC and TransUnion database. So we use the directors belonging to these companies, match them to TransUnion to see their financial rating, see how financially responsible they are. So that counts towards the security rating. So I also believe that one director can belong to multiple companies. So if you've committed a fraud with one company and you've decided to open a new company thinking that you don't keep record of, so we also make reference to other companies you might belong to. So all those things add up to your security rating. Then your technical rating is mainly, as I mentioned initially, we monitor, we also manage the post-tender stage. So after this project has been awarded to you, you don't just go and say, okay, I can actually do as I want since I've been awarded this project. So we use the rating the government gives you after you've done this project for them for subsequent projects you bid on. So the security rating, the technical rating takes in consideration of your rating and also your past experience and your years of experience on this project. Then the financial rating uses the South Africa's preferential pricing, which is the 80-20 and the 90-10 bidding evaluation criteria. So using the reference amount set by the subject matter expert, we're able to score you based on the algorithm. So like the 90-10, as you know, is it's the 10 counts for your BE rating, and 20, and the 80-20, the 20 is also your BE rating depending on the price of the project.
iPhone shipments have dropped in China, and University of Florida is testing brain control drones. This is what's been taking